Hello, welcome to Crossblog X TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop your comment down below. Hey, this Governor Adeleke, the man that's isn't supposed they're supposed to call him Minister of Peace, Minister of Happiness, as in anywhere he goes like this. Okoma light help me boom. Just imagine, check out this video. When he came into the church, when Mama Esther Ajayi was having an anniversary, we all know that she used to invite all these loba people, you know. See as Governor Adeleke enter, gbogbo atmosphere changing. Pẹ̀lú Johnny, he has so much. I love his person, as in the man not just they put anything for your head like that. Anytime he walks into somewhere, he lightens the place up, like with his happiness, with his dancing. See even the way Ooni of Ife they look even the other Obas, they're just greeting him because they all know him for who he is. See the other Oba to way do his own style with two hands. That's the way he does. I so much like him. He should be called Minister of Happiness, Minister of Fun, Minister of Dancing. The man is too much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. What do you think? Baba man joke on you. This life, anything what you do make you happy. Just continue to do am. It be like saying that this dancing thing they make this man happy. May you no stop. Anyway, congratulations to them again. We say the video just born twins, so we they bring the updates soon. Yeah. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Stay tuned.